Alright, so if today is your first time um, coming to my channel or watching my video, just subscribe to it and hit that like button and that bell icon, you understand, to get new updates from my channel. Alright, so let's continue from our previous video. So let's look at the const keyword in JavaScript. You can see const 3 point, I don't know if I'm lying, it's 3.22/7. And 20. That's how we get a 5. I forgot to 5. Okay, so cause 5 okay, so this is 5, and if I come to the next line and I see 5 equals just 2.5, it's 2.5. all right. Error length. Okay, yeah, so we have this error over here, type error, assignment to constant variable. Yeah, so when you define when you declare a variable and you with const keyword, you understand, meaning a constant variable, you cannot reassign the variable. Yes, because you are telling JavaScript this is a constant variable. Nowhere in my program I'm going to have a different value, you understand. So this is a constant variable. Okay, let's look at Java, what Java is supposed to say with constant variables. So with Java it is final pi, final pi 3 points and 4 that's that we have to add double. Okay, yeah, so because you know why I'm adding the double keyword, because this is a static language and we have to tell Java this is this box, this container is of type double, you understand. Okay, so if I come to next line and say 5 equals 2.5, okay, and you see, because Java is static language, so it has to do the compilation. Java compiler has to do the compilation. So this is called compile time error. So after compiling, we can see our error over here. So the final local variable pi cannot be assigned. It might be blank and not using a compound assignment. You understand? So it's the same thing in the JavaScript aspect, which is constant. You understand? So if I take this final from there, then it is good. You understand? Okay, so okay, let's go to our Python and let's look at what we have looked at and the same thing we look at in the Java and JavaScript. Okay, let's go to documentation in Python. So it says Python, these are built-in data types in Python: string, numeric types, int, float, complex, sequence types, list types. Okay, So I don't think Python categorized these data types into two, like JavaScript, where there's primitive and object. Okay, and Java as well. So okay, these are the built-in data types. Alright, so let's look at the strings, int, float, and others. You understand? The bool. Okay, so typical code over here is X. Okay. So with the Python, there is no keyword. It is straightforward. Look at this. Look at this. S is equal to 5. So this is straightforward. So S equals 5. Y equals 7. Print X print Y. Okay, so now terminal. This is what we get. We get 5 and 7 respectively. You understand? So well, let's do the comparison. Okay, so okay, same thing. Okay, so with a Python variable declaration and next time, so it means I can come to this line. Not possible. It's not defined. Python is saying, what are you doing? So I don't think in Python we can do that two steps. You understand? Declaration, like when we come to JavaScript, we can do y or let y. Then in the next line, come and say y equals 21. We can also do the same thing in Java, but I don't think we can do that in Python. If we do, simply do just let's say z. Python is saying z is not defined. What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? So Python is straightforward. So if you are watching this carefully, you might be thinking, what is the difference, and which, when it comes to the variable aspect, which language truly shines? You understand? So which of these is a better version? Which of these stands out? You understand? Which of these stand out? That's the question. I mean, so when we have a variable like this, okay, so when we have a variable like this, and everything is straightforward, so the next time you can do s is equal to 6, the next time s is equal to whatever. You understand? I don't need to use any keyword. Python understand what is happening. It understand the data type and everything. So you might be wondering, there is a little problem. I want you to discover this problem and then tell me in the comment section. You understand? So what is the difference? What do you think? What do you think? Which of these variable declaration truly